My dear students, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty. I am Muhammad Ashraful Islam. Welcome you all in today's mathematics class. Dear students, in the previous class we have solved maths of exercise 7.3. Today I am going to take a class on geometry, chapter 9, construction of triangles. So what is triangles? Triangle is a figure which is bounded by three line segment. How many parts of a triangle has? There are 6 parts of a triangle. So these are the basic thing of triangles. I think all of you have understood. So you have got it. Today we'll construct triangle. So you need geometry box, textbook, copy and all the things. And let's start today's class. So class 7, subject math, chapter 9, construction of triangles. Online classwork will be 50. Construction 4. So read the question carefully first. What is the question? A triangle is to be constructed. So we have to construct a triangle when the two of its angles and the side opposite to one of them are given. So we have to construct a triangle. The given information is two angles and one side. The side which one will be opposite to one of these angles. One of the angles. So this is the question. So at first we have to construct a triangle. Information is two angles and one side. So write the proposition. Proposition, let the two angles, one will be 90 degree and another one will be 45 degree. And the side, the length 6 cm of the side, which one will be opposite to the angles 90 degree of a triangle be given. The triangle is to be constructed. So this is the proposition part. Now all of you start drawing. So at first we will draw 90 degree angle. In your geometry box all of you will get, you can see this one is 90 degree angle. So from here we will draw 90 degree angle. So this one is 90 degree angle. Then we will draw 45 degree angle. How can I draw 45 degree angle? We can use protector. So this is the protector and take the center of the protector here and then find the 45 degree. This is 10, 20, 30, 40. This one is 50, so this will be 45. So mark here 45. After that we will join. This is the point of 45 degree. Then after joining these 2 points, we will get this angle is 45 degree. We have got 2 angles, one is 90 degree and another one is 45 degree, and there was given another side, length of one side. We have taken the length of side is 6 cm. So this is the length of side, 6 cm. These are the given information. We have to construct the triangle. All of you have got it? And I think all of you have drawn. Okay, now let's start the drawing part. At first we will take a ray. We will take a ray. Name of the ray will be BD. BD. So what you have taken, and we'll write the construction part here. Steps. So these are the steps of construction. So 1 number point, what you have taken? So from BD, we will take 6 centimeter. Taking the pencil compass, we will cut BC equals to 6 centimeter. So take the radius of 6 centimeter. Now with center B, we will cut this 6. We will cut this 6 centimeter. Got it? I think all of you have got this one. Name of this point will be C. So what you have drawn? We cut off BC equals to 6 centimeter from any ray BD. So this is the first step we have completed. At first we have taken a ray BD. From BD we cut BC. That one will be 6 centimeter. So we have written the step. We cut off BC equals to 6 centimeter from any ray BD. So this is the first task. Now we will draw angle CBE and DCF equals to 45 degree. So now take the protractor, pencil compass, take any radius, this one. So at center B, we'll draw the arc, and at center C, we'll draw the arc. Then we'll take the radius of this part. Then in center here, draw an arc, and from this point draw another arc. Now extend this part. So we have got CBF and DC. Now this angle and this angle will be equal. This one will be 45 degree. This one will also be 45 degree. So what will be the steps? What we have done here? We draw angle CBF. CBF equals to angle DCE. DCE equals to 45 degree at B and C. Where we have drawn this angle at point B and at point C. So we write at B and C of the line segment BC. So this is the part. Now take again the pencil compass. Then take the radius equals to 90 degree. This angle, and we will draw angle ECG from where? Here in this point. So we have taken this radius, and with center C we draw an arc. Now take this radius, take the radius of this part, and with center here, this is the center, we will draw the 90 degree angle on CE. So cut it here, and we can extend this part also. you can extend. So this is the intersecting point. Now join this part. Join this part and extend. Join this part and extend. That one will be ECG. And this one will be 90 degree angle. And now write the steps. 3 number point. Again we draw. Again we draw ECG. Angle ECG equals to 90 degree at C. At C. On C. On C. This CG and BF intersect this point. Give this point, name of this point is A. So we'll write CG and BF. CG and BF intersect each other. Intersect each other at A. Thus, ABC is the required triangle. ABC is the required triangle. So we have got ABC is a triangle. We want to draw a triangle. So we have got a triangle. And we have got this triangle from the above information. 2 angles and 1 side. So we have used 1 angle and 2 angle and 1 side. Now, according to the given information, there was told 6 centimeter will be one of its opposite angle. So this is the 90 degree angle. This angle, value of this angle will be 90 degree. Value of this angle will be 90 degree. So why it will be 90 degree? This angle and this angle will be equal. Because of this one is the BA, BF and CE are parallel line. So this angle and this angle will be alternate angles. So value of this angles also will be 90 degree. So according to the given information, we have drawn the figure. My dear students, I think all of you have understood construction 4. Now we will do construction 5. Students, construction 5. Question is, a triangle is to be constructed when there are 2 of its sides and an angle opposite to one of them are given. Then that means 2 angles. 2 sides are given. So what are the information? There are given 2 sides and 1 angle. We have to construct a triangle. So at first write the proposition. Proposition will be let length of 2 sides will be, one side will be 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter be the 2 given sides, and the angle 30 degree opposite to the side 3 centimeter. The triangle is to be constructed. So according to the question, proposition is this one. So we will get 2 sides, length of 2 sides, one is 3 centimeter and another one is 4 centimeter and one angle is 30 degree. Okay, now take the length of 2 sides. Take the scale and pencil. We will take the length 3 centimeter. So this is the length 3 centimeter and another one is 4 centimeter. So this is the 4 centimeter and one angle we have to draw, and the length of this angle will be 30 degree. So at first we will take a line, then using protector we will draw the 30 degree angle. So in the center we will take the pointer of the center. Suppose this is the center point of the protector, then we'll go to 30. This is 10, 20, it's the 30, mark it. So this is the 30, and after joining we'll get the 30 degree angle. Joining 2 points, we'll get the 30 degree angle. It's not clear. So this is the 30 degree angle. So these are the given information. Length of one side is 3 cm, another one is 4 cm, and one angle is 30 degree. So from the above given information, we have to construct a triangle. So at first we will take our ray. We will take a ray. Name of the ray will be BD, B and D. So and the steps will be steps of construction. 1 number point, that will be from the given. How do you have drawn? We have taken a ray. So we write. We take a ray. What is the name of the ray? BD. We take a ray BD. So first point is we take our ray BD. So this is a ray. Now at point B we will draw the angle 30 degree. How can we draw this angle? Take the radius of this angle. That will be convenient. Any radius we can take this arc. So this one equals to, this will be center B, draw this arc. Now take this radius, this one. Now it's center here. This one. Now we'll, after joining these 2 points and extend, we'll get the 30 degree angle. So this is the point, and we'll join this one. Name of this point DBE. DBE. So what we have drawn? We have drawn angle DBE equals to 30 degree. So we'll write the steps. We draw angle. What's the name of this angle? Angle DBE. Angle DBE equals to 30 degree at what we have drawn at point B. At B of BD. From BD ray at point B we have drawn DBE equals to 30 degree. So this is the second point. Now take the pencil compass and take radius equals to 4 cm. Take radius equals to 4 cm. This radius, this one, we have to make it equal. So this one will be this one. So this one and this one is equal. Now at point B we will draw an arc. So this is the arc. Give the name of this point. Name of this point is A. So we cut BA equals to 4 cm, and we will write the explanation. And we can write it in third point. We cut off. We can write we cut off BA equals to 4 cm from BE. From B. Now taking the radius equals to 3 cm. Taking the radius, again we will take the pencil compass and take the radius 3 cm. This is the radius 3 cm. So this one equals to this one 3 cm, and we center at A. Center at A. Draw an arc. Center at A. Draw an arc. So we have taken this radius 3 cm and at center A we draw an arc. These arcs intersect BD at 2 points. This is one point, this is another point. Give this, name of this point is C and name of this point is C prime. So what we have got? We'll write the explanation. Now with center at A, that was the center at A, and radius. What's the radius we have taken? Radius, this arc we have taken the radius 3 cm. So radius 3 cm. Radius 3 cm. We draw an arc. So this is the arc. An arc which intersect BD. Which intersect this line, BD line, at C and C prime. C and C prime. We want to give two names. One is C. That one, if you write C, then these 2 points will be same. So make it different. One is C, another one is C prime. Now we will join A and C and A and C prime. Join A and C and A and C prime. Now join A and C and A and C prime. Thus, we have got two triangles. One is ABC and another one is ABC prime. So in both two triangles, there will have the 30-degree angle. That's why we cannot tell ACC prime. So we tell ABC, this one, and ABC prime. Thus, ABC and ABC prime are the required triangles. So this is the required triangles. So according to the given information, we get 30-degree angle opposite to 3 cm. So this is the length of 3 cm. This side's opposite angle is this one, and this one also 3 cm. This side opposite angle will be 30 degree. This one also 30-degree angle. For this side opposite angle will be 30 degree. So in both cases, both triangles will get the 30-degree angle. So these are the triangle according to the given information. My dear students, I think all of you have understood the drawing part and you have got the steps of construction. In construction, no need to write the proof part. Okay, now we'll write the homework, and the homework will be online homework number 50. Online homework 50, construction 4 and 5. This one will be right homework. Have to submit it. I think you have understood today's class. Thank you so very much. Allah Hafiz.